Welcome to the Inforum's orientation video series on finding print and electronic resources through the University of Toronto's library catalog. The goals of this video are to familiarize you with the responsive design of our catalog's interface and to show you how to work with your search results. The catalog's interface is optimized for all screen sizes, including desktops, smartphones, and tablets. It automatically shrinks for smaller screens and adapts to larger screens. Let's begin at the library's homepage. On a smaller screen, select the Research tab. Once you've accessed Research, select Find to start your search. Select the type of search you would like to perform. In this case, we would like to access books, ebooks, journals, and more. Selecting this arrow provides a drop-down menu under the search box that allows you to search in different fields, such as title, author, subject, or call number. I'm going to search for privacy surveillance in title. I can choose to view my results as text only by selecting the button marked Options, then clicking View. Text-only view. This takes out images and the holdings information. Holdings information shows which libraries have the book, its call number, and whether the book is in or out. By clicking on the link of the individual title, it shows the full information, including the holdings. Selecting the Jump to drop-down menu will allow you to view specific information quickly. You can also refine your search with facets as outlined in Video 3. Facets group your search results into helpful categories. By clicking on Refine at the top left of the page, you can explore these facets and see how you can refine your search results, especially when you do a search that brings up a large number of results. Selecting Close at the top right of the screen will hide the facets. The catalog search is set to do a relevant search. That is, the search engine looks for the search words you type in highly relevant parts of the item's record, such as the title, author, and subject tags. You can choose to sort your search results in other ways. I can change the sort order by clicking on Sort in the top right of the page, then choosing Publication Date down arrow. Notice that books published in 2017 now appear at the top of my list. Try experimenting with other ways that you can sort your search results. Each item in the catalog has its own full record with more information about the item. Clicking on the title of an item takes you to the full record. You can scroll through the information or go to specific parts by clicking on the words in the gray bar on the top of the screen. In addition to the citation information, such as the title, author, and publication info, I can now see the subject tags assigned to this book. Clicking on each subject tag will get you a list of all the other items that have this tag. If I click on More Details in the gray bar, I can see the table of contents in a contents note with the titles and authors of the individual essays in this edited collection. When you do an Anywhere search, the search engine results presents the word in its context. Clicking on the Options icon on the right side of the page lets you do things like request an item that is signed out. Since this book is signed out, you can place a hold on it. Click on the Request button, then follow the instructions that place a hold, or to request inter-campus delivery, that is, to get a book from the U of T Mississauga or Scarborough campuses delivered to the St. George campus. You will need to enter your library barcode and PIN. You can email or print this record by making the choice from the Options button. You can also get a permanent link to this record by clicking on Link and cutting and pasting it wherever you like. The RefWorks icon lets you send the record information to RefWorks, a citation management software that allows you to collect and work with your book and article citations all from one place. Clicking on the RefWorks will get you a page where you can set up a RefWorks account. For records of ebooks and e-journals, the Options button also brings up a link to report any problems you encounter when trying to get the electronic resource. You can work with the set of search results by marking them and working with them as a group rather than one-on-one. Clicking on the checkboxes will save the record to a marked folder. From the marked folder, you can email the set of results or send them to RefWorks. You can do multiple searches and save records to your Marks folder from each search. However, once you close the browser window, your marks will be lost. In summary, this video demonstrated some responsive design features of the catalog and how to use different options displayed in your search results. The Faculty of Information and Robarts Library have a great team of professionals here to help you with your research and citation questions. For quick reference, you can visit the Inforum, visit our website, or reach us by telephone and email. Robarts has in-depth reference help available to University of Toronto students. Their Ask Us desk can help with quick reference questions, and librarians are available by consultation, email, telephone, or their website. You can always connect with the Inforum online, over the phone, via email, or on Facebook and Twitter. This is the end of the Finding Resources video 4. Thank you.